Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own picture or an image as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Galaxy Wearable application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Galaxy Wearable app on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the application, you should see your Galaxy Watch Ultra, and on this page you should see Watch Faces option. Tap on it. Now scroll down, find the option or category called Photos. And once you find the Photos category, tap on the Photos watch face. Let's try tapping on it again. Something is not working for some reason. Let's close the app and reopen it. Maybe this will fix it. Oh, yeah, it did. It's okay. So the Photos watch face was selected. As you can see, it's here at the top of the watch face menu. And now we can tap on the Customize button. And here we can customize our watch face. So select the style you like, then tap on background, and here we can add the background to our watch face. And you have plus button and the picture source. I'm not sure what this is, but we can tap on this plus button, select the gallery or camera depending on what you want to do with your watch face. The camera option will basically open the camera app. You can take a picture and use it as a watch face, and the gallery option allows you to select the picture from your phone. I'm gonna use the gallery option. It will open the file browser. Here we can tap on downloads and select the picture, for example this one, or we can select multiple if you want to. Select the pictures you like, tap on done, and now we need to crop the image because the whole image won't fit on the watch face. We need to select the part of it, and you can zoom in and zoom out. You can move left and right. You can also customize it a little because you can change the brightness, exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, saturation, and the tint. So you can play with it quite a lot. We have the second picture, so let's also crop it. And once you're done, tap on done, and the pictures will be uploaded like this. Now we can tap on clock type, and here we can select the type of the clock basically. As you can see, select the one you like, then tap on clock font. You can change the font for the clock, then clock color, then complications. So basically we can select the widgets on our watch face. For example, heart rate, complication 2, it should be the steps. Then complication 3 should be the maybe date. And then finally, let's select the battery like this. Then we can tap on complication 5. Oh, there's another one, so maybe event. Then complication color, we can select the color of the complication, and once you're done you can tap on save, and the watch face will be applied on your watch. And if you have more than one picture uploaded, you can simply tap on the current watch face to cycle between them like this. And that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.